These are questions from the previous exams. First question is, these are from solid state. Calcium fluoride having fluoride structure, coordination of calcium and fluoride. Listen carefully. In fluoride structure, we have F and we have T. So it is calcium fluoride. Okay, this is cation, calcium, and fluoride. Fluoride is anion here. So from F letter you have to remember that it is FCC. It will occupy FCC lattice format, FCC lattice, whereas fluoride occupy tetrahedral voids. So tetrahedral voids, total tetrahedral voids per unit cell 8, and total FCC, total atoms in FCC are 4. So just exchange these numbers because its coordination number will be the oppositely charged species surrounding it in closest approach. So its coordination number of calcium will be 8 and that of fluoride will be 4. So option number C is correct. Antifluoride, in antifluoride you have to take opposite. Anion is in FCC, anion is in FCC and cation is in tetrahedral void. Next question is on doping germanium, this is carbon 14, with indium and gallium. So this is group number 14 and are doping it with indium or gallium, these are group number 13. These are electron deficient, means this will make lattice deficient. P-type semiconductor will be obtained. In group 13, either we dope group 14 with group 13 or group 15. So 15 group is nitrogen family. So from here you can remember that a nitrogen family, N says nitrogen and N says N-type semiconductor, whereas if you are taking number of electron less than group 14, then we will have P-type semiconductor. So option number E is correct. In fluoride structure, again we have question, what is the coordination number of calcium? It is 8. FCC structure, FCC crystal contain how many atoms in each unit cell? F says 4. You have to remember three numbers, 1, 2 and 4. 1 is for simple, it is for simple, whereas F says 4 and F says FCC face centered, and 2 number is for BCC. This is the value of Z. Z means number of atoms per unit cell. So option number C is correct. Next is, if we mix a pentavalent impurity, pentavalent, it is group 15, 5 is in group 15, pentavalent. So we will be getting N-type semiconductor. Nitrogen, N says nitrogen, N says negative, N says N-type. Sixth question, in FCC lattice unit cell shared equally by how many unit cell? It is 6. It is 6. It is 6. Next question is, a compound formed by element X and Y crystallizes in cubic structure. Okay, so you have to find the formula. So just focus on it. X atom are at corners and Y atoms at face centered. So X atom at corners, total corners for corner, per corner contribution is 1 by 8. Per body center contribution is 1 and contribution is 1, and per face center contribution is 1 by 2. Per edge center contribution is 4, 1 by 4. Just multiply it by the total atoms, total corners, total body center, total face center, total edge in the cube. So X is present at corners. So total corners are 8, per corner contribution is 1 by 8. So it will be total number of atoms per unit cell. For X it is 1. So it means X is 1. So option number B cannot be the answer. Now for Y occupy face center. For face center, because number of faces 6 and per contribution 1 by 2. So Y is 3. So at the base of Y you will write 3 and base of X will write 1. So XY3 is the formula. Option A is correct. Next is, which one of the following elements silicon should be doped to get P-type semiconductor? P-type means group 13, boron family. So selenium, germanium, arsenic is group 15, selenium, these are of same. So option B is correct. Ninth, if A stands for edge length and you have all the three system in this order, then ratio of their radii. So again I want to tell you one trick, a relationship between radius and edge length. What is the relationship? For simple cubic, for body centered, for face centered, just write 4r in all the cases, 4r. This is equal to, for simple cubic, simply it is 2a, and then for body centered you will use body diagonal. Value of body diagonal is root 3a, and for face centered value of face diagonal is root 2a. Now you can rearrange them. You have to find the value of radius ratio is asked. So here r will be equal to 2a by 4, r is root 3 by 4a, and r is equal to root 2 by 4a. So take their ratio, it will be 1 by 2a. First is simple cubic, ratio BCC, ratio FCC. So root 2, 1 by 2a, then root 3 by 4a, ratio root 2 by 4a. So it is given in fraction only. So 1 by 2, B cannot be the answer. So root 3 by 4. So your option number A is incorrect. Option number C is correct. How will you write root 2 by 4? It can be further written root 2 by 2 into 2. So upon solving, this is 2 raised to power, this is 2 raised to power 1 by 2. So it will be 1 by 2 raised to power 2 minus 1 by 2. So it will be 1 by 2, 3 by 2. We can write 2, 1 plus 1 by 2, or 1 by 2 into 2 under root. 10th question, copper crystallizes in FCC with cell length. What is radius? So it is FCC. For FCC, 4r is equal to root 2a. So a is given here, it is 361 picometer. 361 picometer. It is 4r. So upon solving, you will get value of radius. It is 1 by 2 root 2, 361, 180.5, and then value of root 2 is 1.4. So upon solving, you will be getting 128. 11th question, percentage of free space in BCC. Free space has been asked. So packing efficiency, you have to keep in mind packing efficiency for different system. Packing efficiency for simple cubic is 52.4%, BCC is 68%, and for FCC is 72%. So the remaining space, free space, will be 100 minus packing efficiency. So 100 minus packing efficiency, we have been asked about BCC, so it will be 32%. So this question is quite important, has been asked frequently by the NEET NTA in NEET exam. Next question, vacant Svedeki. It is again asked in 2015, so it is 32%. And last question, it is again asked edge length and the distance between, yes, it is the new concept, distance between BCC atoms and corner atoms. System is BCC. Now what you have to do, BCC, you have been asked the closest distance between anion and cation. Let this be D. D is distance between anion and cation. So for BCC, for SCC, for BCC, for FCC, you have written 4r is equal to this was 2a. For BCC, 4r is equal to root 3a. For this face diagonal, root 2a. Now what you have to do, just split this in two values. It is actually 2 into 2r. Okay, So this is equal to 2a. Now what is 2r? What is 2r? 2r means this is r plus and this is r minus. If it's taken in magnitude, if it r plus r minus. So if we are taking the distance, this is cation or this is anion. So approximately if both are equal, so this is r plus r is equal to 2r. So this is actually the closest distance, d. Okay. So in place of 2r we can write d. So this equation will become 2d, okay, 2d. In place of 4r we can write 2d. So for BCC, this is 2d is equal to root 3a. So d has been asked, d is root 3 by 2a. So this is option number D. So that's all for the day. Thank you.